Hello there, and welcome to your reading for the week. Before we dive in, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave comments. And also, if you'd like to get a personal reading with me, please check out my website or email me for more information. Okay, so as we always do, we start with the Gipsy cards. And see what the topic or the theme of the upcoming week is. And here we have sadness. So obviously, when we see this, the first thought is, oh no, I don't want to be sad. I don't want to have to go through those feelings. But here's the thing. Sadness is a necessary part of our functioning. Crying tears of sadness and tears of joy are equally important. They keep us afloat. They keep us well-oiled emotionally and in touch with our feelings. Actually, when you lose your ability to feel sadness is when you need to start to worry a little bit. So as always, I'm going to read the words. These are in foreign languages, so my pronunciations may be off. Traurigkeit, Tuga, sadness. Tristes, tristeza, somarushag. Okay, so what do the cards want to show us about sadness? And promptly as I'm saying this, there's a thunder going on outside. And kind of sets the mood for this reading. I wonder if you can hear it. Can you hear the rain? Okay, let's see what the message is. All right, judgment. So the message is relatively simple. Sadness is the indicator of change. So when you finally are able to allow yourself to sink into melancholy, that's when your life begins anew. That's when you wake up from the dead. When you're in a paralyzed state, unable to respond to events that have happened to you or that happened to you a long time ago, don't have to be recent events. When you're in that state of paralysis and numbness, your life is on hold. You're basically trapped in the past. When sadness comes and washes over you, it's waving the flag of freedom. It's letting you know that you're breaking free. You're coming out of whatever predicament you placed yourself into. Not saying that you're to be accused or blamed for your situation. I'm just saying that a lot of our situations we choose in some way, shape, or form. If not any other way, then by the way of how we're looking at it. So your soul has now come to realize that your chosen path is a source of inner turmoil and torture, and you're liberating yourself from it. Number 20 of the major arcana, judgment, is a moment of clarity when everything falls into place and the ghosts and the phantoms of the past come to the surface to be seen, to be understood. They're no longer buried in you, and they're no longer hiding from you. They are processable now. And you processing those things is essentially you being said. So what's happening is normal, and it's part of an overarching process that is ultimately going to result in a new, freer, more authentic, more conscious version of yourself. So I wish you good luck with that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my website for personal readings. See you next week.